Hey guys, this is the 98 TRAILMOBILE trailer that you're looking at purchasing. Here's a couple of spots that I can show you where they fixed a weld on it, looks like sometimes. Here's a video up and under it. Both landing gears are good. There's no welds on the other side. Let me get back here to the tires. You can see the tires. Tires are really good all the way around. There's two new airbags on the front axle here and there he put in. You can see the brakes on both sides. Really good shape. Some of the rust. Here's the other tires. Some rust here on the back end. You can see there. And then over there, I'll walk around, but here's the back two airbags. They're older, not been replaced. The back doors, looks like he's painted this sometime down the line. You can see some of the rust that was there. The doors are in good shape. Some of the rust side over here, you can see right there. Bumper's bent a little bit, but it's solid. Here's the rest of it under here. The other side tires, they've painted the wheels and stuff. Tires on both sides are good. The other side, sliding gears. Here's the other side of the trailer. Hopefully I can send you this video. Sides are in good shape. Here's the other side of the landing gear, where that's don't look like it's ever been welded. That is a little old. Trailer's in good shape. Guy was running it. I'll see if I can't send you this video. Thanks.